exploring the characters of Harry Potter. 1. Harry Potter. Orphan boy with a destiny, brave and kind, grapples with his identity and faces Voldemort. 2. Hermione Granger. Brilliant witch, fiercely loyal friend, and champion for justice, sometimes over-reliant on rules. 3. Ron Weasley. Harry's loyal and funny sidekick, insecure but supportive, provides comic relief and grounds Harry. 4. Albus Dumbledore. Wise and powerful headmaster of Hogwarts, guides and protects Harry, embodies benevolent leadership. 5. Severus Snape. Complex and misunderstood potions master, secretly protects Harry, reveals the cost of redemption. 6. Lord Voldemort. Evil wizard obsessed with immortality, Harry's nemesis, represents fear and prejudice. 7. Draco Malfoy. Arrogant bully and rival to Harry, eventually conflicted, grapples with loyalty and family legacy. 8. Rubeus Hagrid. Gentle giant and Hogwarts gamekeeper, protects Harry with fierce loyalty, embodies kindness and acceptance. 9. Minerva McGonagall. Strict but fair transfiguration professor, mentors Harry, enforces discipline and order. 10. Sirius Black. Harry's godfather, wrongly imprisoned, becomes a loyal ally, sacrifices himself for Harry's safety. Thank you for watching.